service update from the control room at Waterloo. The central line is partially suspended between Epping and Debden due to a signal failure. Good service on the rest of the line. There are minor delays on the Metropolitan line between Harrow-on-the-Hill and Uxbridge. There are severe delays on the Elizabeth line between Gidea Park and Shenfield due to faulty track. The London tram is partially closed. No service between East Croydon and Reeves Corner due to planned engineering work. Good service on other London Underground lines, DLR, London Overground, other Elizabeth line routes.